The ethos of continued improvement is a mindset where we're always looking to improve everything we do. It's part of a no blame culture. We don't beat ourselves up for things which may not have been perfect in the past, but we always look to make things better for the future, whether it's the way we run our business, whether it's the reliability of the product, or whether it's the service we provide for our customers. We're always looking to make it better tomorrow than it is today, which is better than yesterday. We keep a data log of every installation, including a layout plan and an equipment log. This is invaluable when identifying batches of stock, installations by individual engineers, or indeed the date of the last service. This, in essence, is a golden thread, a live digital fingerprint. The rolling manufacturer parts warranty basically is our statement of confidence in the reliability and efficacy of our product. We offer that warranty to give the consumer the peace of mind that we will always stand behind the serviceability of that product. This system will always be there, ready to use in the unlikely event that it is required.